Here are the 4 best brush for Australian Shepherd. So, let's get started. Number 1, most popular. FURminator Undercoat Deshedding Tool. The FURminator Undercoat Deshedding brush is probably the best brush for an Australian Shepherd during their seasonal coat blow. This tool's steel teeth remove a surprising amount of dead hair from the Aussies' thick undercoat each time you use it. It isn't going to completely eradicate loose hairs from making their way into unwanted places, but nothing else is likely to give you such good results. FURminators come in a number of different sizes, with varying width and teeth length. Although you'll find the FURminator most beneficial when your Australian Shepherd's coat is molting excessively, it can be used year-round. Number 2. Shiny Pet Dog Comb for removes tangles. The Shiny Pet Dog Comb is a durable option that's a useful addition to your grooming toolkit. If you need a comb for brushing out mats and grooming awkward areas, it's a great choice. There are 2 tooth spacings depending on which side of the comb you use. Unlike some metal combs, the Shiny Pet model has a non-slip rubber handle, so you can get an excellent grip. It's a decent size too, making it a perfect choice for using on a larger breed like an Australian Shepherd. Number 3. GoPets Professional Double-Sided Pin. The GoPets Professional Pin and Bristle is a handy tool to have in your Australian Shepherd grooming arsenal. It's great for removing debris, aerating the coat, and leaving a healthy shine. Aussies are famous for their love of the great outdoors, so it's common for them to be covered in mud, burrs, or other debris. The rounded pins also make it more gentle on the skin, so it's suitable for puppies, dogs with sensitive skin, and those that are anxious about being brushed. Aside from its 2-in-1 brush surfaces, the GoPets brush has a silicone handle that is comfortable to hold. Number 4. AtEase Accents Double-Sided Dog Brush. We've already featured a double-sided brush on this list, but if you're looking for a more environmentally friendly option, then you may want to consider the AtEase Accents brush for dogs. The frame of the brush has been constructed from sustainable bamboo wood, rather than the usual plastic. This makes it an excellent choice if you're worried about the environmental impact of plastic products. Like other pin and bristle brushes, the AtEase Accents is great for removing dirt and promoting a healthy shine.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.